bitch.
Who?
Asshole.
Yo, Carl, see you around.
Fuck they doing over here anyway? Punk-ass police.
Those nosy motherfuckers won't leave me alone. Think I'm Mr. Big or something. But I don't tell them shit. For me, it's all about my homeboy Carl.
Yeah, whatever you say.
The game is real important, CJ, you know that. You down to represent, baby?
Yeah.
Look, my cousin is coming in town from Mexico. I got to go scoop her up.
All right, then. Come on. What you want me to roll with you for anyway?
No reason. I just wanted to get in the carpool lane.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, just cool out, homie. Just chill.
Your cousin coming here from Mexico.
Yeah, me and her go way back. Way back.
Look where you going! Smoke, you full of shit.
Don't be prejudiced again in my presence, Carl. Everybody is my cousin.
Yo, you blind?
You getting out now? Get out of here, fool!
Okay, my cousin Mary's in there. Sweet, sticky, bud fresh off the plantation. Here, pull up here, let me do the talking.
Man, I should've known.
Hey, excuse me, Jose. Yo soy el grando smokio, and I want that grass, comprende?
Hey, fuck you, cabron.
What?
Now that ain't nice. Coffee-o up El Guido before I blow your brains out all over the patio.
Chinga tu madre, pendejo.
Man, let me get the heat
Fuck
on
this, man.
Fuck this. Get him
Yeah,
smoking.
yeah, you gonna get that shit now. Get what you talking about. Yeah, motherfucker, Big Smoke. Remember that name. We gotta stick with him. Man, I'm done.
Got a fucking problem with me? Now will you be quiet? Get out my face!
Holding up shit.
Sweet! Smoke! Where all the homies at? Fuck they at? Damn. Fuck it, damn.
Hey,
Carl, no time to chit-chat. Been seeing a Seville family beer, work out on the street, and the boys don't like it. I'm pinned down in Seville hood, and we need a ride out of here. Pronto.
oh, for sure, man. Hang in there.
Drop by Emmett and get heated.
Hey, man, you a damn fool! Oh! What you been drinking? Should've got the fuck out of here. Oh! Can I have this? You gonna take it now.
That's my brother. Get a car, we'll meet you out front.
Oh!
You use Tropic or Sonoma?
I'd rather stick a fork in it.
Have a great day.
Later, Daddy. You ever got lucky?
It's almost better than jogging.
Bye, girlfriend.
See you later.
Learn how to drive, trick. You're gonna have to walk now, sucker. Hey, be more careful. Hey, dude.
Seville family on our case, nigga. Move it, CJ. She got a sister, CJ. You want her now? CJ, I warned your ass.
Are you dead?
CJ, I warned you.
What is that?
Don't worry, girl. I don't drive as bad as CJ. I'll see you inside, baby. Man, this set tripping is killing the families. You did good back there.
Hey, I'm a Johnson boy.
Hey, I got unfinished business. Big love.
Damn.
Hey, what you doing? Digging graves?
Damn. Damn, where the fuck I put it, man?
Put what, nigga?
Man, the fucking water. Need a little something before I go deal with things.
What things, fool?
My homie LB, he told me about this army motherfucker who got all the guns we need. Not that old school Emmett bullshit neither.
I'm down. Let's roll.
Jill, you always down, homie. Apart from when you ain't around here.
Nigga, fuck you.
Damn! Man, you want some of this?
Nah, man. I'm cool on that. Where we going?
This tilt overlooking East Beach. Better yet, you better wait until it's dark. Catch the motherfucker while he in bed.
Yeah, I'm feeling that.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Come on, nigga, what you
Let
waiting
it
for?
go.
Look.
Get in, fool. Where is this old motherfucker? When the hell is he?
Relax, man. We ain't there yet.
Yeah, right, Carl. You always right. That's my homie, Mr. Right.
Shut up.
You can't stop me.
Who can't?
Whatever.
Let's get the car, homies. Fuck it.
You gringo think you're...
Can anybody in this state cry?
Move your shit out of my way!
Let's storm the place.
Hold up. Let's creep in, grab the guns, and bounce out.
Yeah, I got it ninja style. Right. Come out, you old bastard.
Shut up!
He can't stop me, you buster, Carl. Okay, fool, in you go. I'll keep watch. Move it, motherfucker. Keep it coming, CJ. What I tell y'all? We making a killing. You a natural housebreaker, homie. There's plenty more in there, homie.
Let's get up out of here.
All right, now we straight. LB got a storage garage down in Seville Boulevard, family turf we could use.
I'm on it. Seriously, Ryder, man. You gotta give up them sticks.
What? Man, I give up the water if you give up being a buster.
Hold it right there, homie.
Buster?
Forget it.
Forget you, fool.
One day, you gonna wish you hadn't pissed me off.
Did I hear something? Sound like the buster complaining again.
Man, this is childish.
Man, I ain't talking to you no more, fool.
I swear to God.
Look where you going!
You see, I told you, simple.
Yeah, that was a real breeze.
Say, CJ, you gotta get it in your head that this is everyday shit, homie.
Okay, look, I'm tired. I'll see you later.
All right, Holmes, just think about what I said.
Remember, heroes get killed. Ah, damn. You only went and fed.